If you're watching this video, you have some interest in Automatic Packet Reporting System, APRS, and I assume you know how to use your radio and its CPS software. And there you go. It's as simple as that. And also, I helped a couple other people out with their code plugs and getting APRS working. You do need a destination call sign. In this case, I use K1EQX, and I'm out Equinox, about 45 miles south of me. It's a -7. You do have to have something in there. So anyways, I hope this video helps you out. Maybe one day I'll catch you on an APRS voice alert or see your packets go by, something like that. But enjoy 7.3.